You might have gotten this email from Squarespace: reconnect your Instagram site to continue using the Instagram block. So you're going to have to reconnect it. So here's a client's website that has an Instagram block right here in their footer. It's an old 7.0 site. And if I click on their Instagram block, I see that it's connected. But if I go over to the settings, third-party tools, and connected accounts, you'll see here, look at this, Pico Taqueria, account is disconnected. Please reauthenticate to connect. Now, I don't have access to their Instagram account, so I can't reauthenticate it, but I can show you what it looks like. It looks like something like this. You'll reauthenticate and it'll lead you to this Instagram allow dialog. Hit that, you connect it. But here under third-party tools with Instagram, there's one other thing you need to do, and that is you need to click reset data. Your connected account has reset, and that will populate any Instagram blocks you have with the new content. One other important note, you have to have like a professional Instagram account type. So if you connected a personal Instagram account in the past, you're going to have to upgrade that to a business/creator Instagram account type. But if you don't want to do that, they've given a link in the email on how to use Instagram's embed code to directly embed Instagram onto your website. And I feel like this is an appropriate time to tell you about Elfsight's Instagram widget, which gives you more options than Squarespace's Instagram options. Squarespace, it looks good. It's just a clean grid of images. But if you wanted to do a few more things like show your follower account or have a follow button, the Instagram feed widget is pretty dang easy. Go with the profile widget and just show you some of the options. And then they give you slider grid options. You can play with column and rows, how things are animated, how the arrows are controlled, what your feed is titled, and then how much data do you want people to see, and what kind of call to action buttons do you want to have on your post pop-ups. Even inject some custom JavaScript if you're feeling codey. Elfsight technically has a free tier, but one of the things about Elfsight is that they limit their tiers by views. And of course, any website with any amount of traffic is going to exceed 200 views in a month easily. And they've got the Elfsight branding all over it. So they've got a Black Friday sale going right now. If you want to elevate your Instagram embed game, I'll put a link for that in the video description. If not, Squarespace embed is still free, as is the Instagram embed. Happy embedding.